series Love Is Never Gone. Can you tell us a little bit about what it was like working with each other on the show?
Masaya ako kasi yung kasama ko sa journey ko sa Love Is Never Gone. Really excited. Parang hindi na lang lahat ko yung show na ko kasi pinaghirapan namin lahat.
Sobrang saya kasi everyone feels like family already. And of course, Love Is Never Gone is my dream project. So excited ako magkaroon with Kyle, Edward, and Braga pa ang mga nag-host ng bawat
Last question for you guys. Kamusta filming scenes with each other and what can your fans expect from it?
Filming with Ivana, isip ko, hindi ako surprise hindi ako nahirapan talaga. Umpisa pa lang alam na namin na kailangan namin magtulungan. Umpisa pa lang alam namin na mahaba-habang journey tatakboy namin together. So, ang ganda lang na sinimulan namin siya ng maganda. Ngayon, patapos na kami. We're on to like a few days na lang ng shooting days and then, yeah, we're done.
And can you tell us a little bit, one of your favorite things about working with Joshua?